When your Oral-B IO6 language menu becomes frozen or unresponsive, the most effective solution is performing a hard reset. This resolves temporary software glitches that can cause the interface to freeze. To perform a hard reset, hold down the power button for exactly 10 seconds. This forces the device to restart and clears any temporary software issues causing the freeze. If language options are missing from your menu, this typically indicates outdated firmware. The solution is to update your toothbrush firmware through the official Oral-B mobile application. Open the Oral-B app on your smartphone, ensure your toothbrush is connected via Bluetooth, then navigate to the Settings menu to check for firmware updates. Installing the latest firmware adds new language packs and fixes compatibility issues. For severe display corruption, where text appears garbled or the screen shows incorrect characters, a complete factory reset is necessary. This restores all settings to their original state and requires reconfiguring your language preferences. To perform a factory reset, access the Settings menu, navigate to System Options, and select Factory Reset. After the reset completes, you'll need to reconfigure your language settings from the beginning. To prevent these issues and optimize your language reset experience, follow these best practices. Regular firmware updates ensure compatibility with the latest language packs and prevent many common problems. Always sync with the mobile app before performing a language reset. This creates a backup of your settings and ensures a smoother reset process if something goes wrong. According to Oral-B research, users complete the language change process 89% faster with the current interface design compared to previous generations. Following these troubleshooting steps ensures you get the best experience from your device. Remember these key troubleshooting steps: hard reset for frozen menus, firmware updates for missing languages, and factory reset for display corruption. Regular maintenance through the app keeps your device running smoothly.